Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode with me, Shashank Godappa. And today we are going to look at what has Parag Parikh done in the last 1 month, right? Because a lot of people have been talking about Parag Parikh. A lot of people have been questioning their cash allocation. Why are they not deploying? Boss, let's understand the rationale behind what they're doing. And if you know, Parag Parikh has always been a long-term contrarian deep value fund. So they don't do too much hardbody. In fact, they buy some things that me and you would never understand. So let's quickly understand what they have bought in the last 1 month. Now, before that, I hope you guys know that almost a year ago, little less than a year ago, we have launched two small cases by ourselves. One is a quantitative basket and one is a fluid Q, which is the quantitative basket, which has quantamental stocks. And here we are doing phenomenally well. The blue line is us, the orange line is the market. So we are currently sitting at a beautiful alpha over here. And for long-term investors, we have launched Fluid C, which is a compounding basket, which is a 3-year compounding basket, slightly cheaper than the Quant one. And even here at Nifty 500, we are beating the index quite well. So if you are interested in this, I'm putting a coupon code below called SAVE20. You can use that and take it. It's a limited time coupon code as well. Now let's look at what has Parag Parikh added, deleted, all of that. Let's look at it. So one thing that we see here is Parag Parikh reduced a little bit of HDFC Bank over here, right? And what have they added? They have added ITC Limited, and it's more like a stability play. They have taken ITC, slightly added 0.43% weight in ITC. In March, it was 5%. Now it is 5.43%. I hope you guys can read it. So they've added around 0.43% from March to April. Now looking at Alphabet, now this is something very interesting. Alphabet has gone from 4% to 4.9%. Now this is not because of them adding new stocks, because they've not added any stock here. But if you see Alphabet, which is basically Google, Google has actually gone up quite drastically in the last 1 month, and it is actually doing beautiful momentum here. And Google has gone up a lot. Now, because Google went up a lot, the weight in the basket has actually gone up. And a lot of people in the market ask, why are they sitting with cash? Because they have international stocks that are doing well, that they can afford to not take very aggressive bets. But they have deployed. This month, they actually have done a lot of buying. For example, they have also bought a little bit more of Bajaj Holdings. They have bought Kotak Mahindra Bank, almost 1.18%. And they have again added quite a bit amount of Mahindra. Now it says 9% here, but the weightage has gone from 3.36 to 3.52. The number of stocks they have definitely added a lot. That is because Mahindra and Mahindra actually fell down, and they know that long-term Mahindra and Mahindra is good. So they've added quite a bit of Mahindra and Mahindra. Now, what is a big addition in their basket? They have started adding IT stocks. Now, I don't know how many of you all remember this, but a lot of people got angry when I did it. If you go and check my recent video, I actually made a video saying IT has now become deep value. If you look at the IT stocks, they are currently sitting at, I think TCS is sitting at 2% dividend yield. Infosys is sitting at almost 3 to 3.5% dividend yield. Wipro and HCL is around 4 to 5% dividend yield. And they are sitting at sub 18 PE, right? So definitely IT is not going to go anywhere. A lot of people are too pessimistic in life. And a lot of people are going with the narrative. Good fund managers always try to go against the narrative. And definitely even I believe that IT will do a comeback, and it's too cheap right now. And I think Parag Parikh, immediately after I've done the video, 1 month later, I can see the same thing happening. They have picked up a good amount of chunk in HCL Technologies, and they have added a lot of Infosys as well. So they've added almost 30% in the IT sector. They've added these two companies very aggressively. They've also added TCS over here as well. TCS is still slightly ahead of the valuation, but HCL and Infosys are very lowly valued as of now. So they have added HCL, TCS, Infosys. They've added a very good amount of IT companies. Another thing they've been constantly adding is REITs. And this is something they've been adding from last 2 months. Both Embassy and Brookfield REITs. Now you should understand the concept of REIT. Many people don't know this. There are 5 REITs right now in the market. 4 of them are Blackstone owned REITs. I think 3 of them are Blackstone owned REITs. But both Embassy REITs are, I think, giving a dividend yield of 4.5 to 5%. And Brookfield is actually very undervalued today. From their gross asset value, and Brookfield is actually very good, and they're undervalued. Embassy is fairly valued, but very well run. Both of the REITs are very well run. Somehow I feel like the most of the Embassy parks are mainly in Bangalore based, and if I look at the Bangalore real estate, it is peaking, but they are in the official office space, not the residential space. Same with Brookfield, they have a lot of stuff there. Nexus is also there, which is more mall related. But again, now if there is any problem with, let's say, the work from home that might happen because of PM Modi talking about it, both Embassy and Brookfield will fall a lot. And if they fall, I'm pretty sure PPFAS will go buy more, because the yield becomes better because you buy at a lower price, and this is a temporary issue, so nothing will happen. But yes, they have added again more of REITs, And I think they have maxed it out. I think they're at 8%, 9% in that stock as well. So they have maxed out a lot of REITs over there. They've also added a small chunk of Indraprastha Gas. They are slowly taking that chunk a bit up over here. That is something that they've added as well. Mahanagar Gas also, they have added quite a bit. Indus Towers, they have added quite a bit over here. And Balkrishna Industries, they have completely exited Balkrishna Industries. BKT, it is going through a bad time. They have completely gone out of it. And if you look at the cash component, earlier in the month of March, it was 18%. Everyone was shouting at them. Now it is 15.51%. So they have actually bought 3.43% of deployment has happened. But if you see, most of the deployment has happened in IT and Mahindra, ITC, Brookfield REITs. This is where the deployment has happened. From a deployment perspective, that is where they've happened. So as you can see, the more the market is trying to recover, more they're adding. So they have added quite a bit. Now 9% of the portfolio itself is Infosys, TCL and HCL. 9% of their portfolio is IT now. 4% of the portfolio is REITs. Cash is 15% now. Alphabet is a very high rank because it went up too much. Scaling up Indraprastha and Mahanagar Gas. Too small today, but they are moving up the needle. Complete exit in Balkrishna. And ITC is treated as quasi-debt and AUM has reached 1.4 lakh crore. So as you can see, they have been very aggressive in all of these companies. And if you look at Nifty today has actually fallen down. Not just today, from the last 1 year, Nifty has not been great. And now they have started adding because Nifty has come to very attractive valuations, right? Market is taking a massive bleeding. Everything has fallen down today. So I won't be surprised if the DI activity with respect to the cash they have, I think this is a very good time for them to deploy as well. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And why I do this video is just for you to learn and understand how big fund managers operate. And everyone in the market is saying IT is bad. I said IT is good last month. Nobody believed me. Now PPFAS has come and bought IT. I still believe it is a massive undervaluation play. I have not personally bought it because I don't buy large cap. But this is basically what it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and like this video. And if you have any doubts, any questions, please do let me know in the comment section below. This is me, Shashank Goduppa, signing off. Take care. See you guys. Bye-bye.